Hello everyone. In the last video, we have already seen what is accuracy, what is precision, and what is recall. And I asked you to comment down in the comment section what will be the specific formula. If you haven't gone through that particular last video, please go through it and comment down your answers in the comment section. If you interact, then only you will learn. So please try doing it. And now let's see what are the formulas, corresponding formulas. So here if you observe, we have seen what the formula for accuracy with respect to this particular confusion matrix, right? Now let's see what will be my formula for precision and what will be my formula for recall. And in case of precision, in the denominator, what we are having? We are having predicted positives, right? So how we'll be getting these predicted positives? We'll be getting these two predicted positives by seeing this particular column. So in this particular column, wherever there is one, that means that those points model has predicted them as positive, right? So the corresponding ones, that is true positive and false positive. So these two will be there in my denominator in case of precision. Okay, so my denominator will be true positive plus false positive. So in these two, out of these true positive plus false positive, in these points, how many are correctly predicted? The correctly predicted points among these are true positives. So my precision formula will be true positive by true positive plus false positive. Now let's see what is recall. So what is recall? Out of all actual positives, how many are correctly predicted? So this is the definition for our recall. Now let's check the formula. So in denominator, what we should be having? We should be having actual positives. And how we will be getting these actual positives? These will be getting by observing this particular table. And in this particular table, in this particular actual column, wherever it is 1, so here it is 1, and similarly over here it is 1. So in these two cases, our actual output is 1, right? So the corresponding points are true positive and also false negatives. So in denominator, we are expecting the points to be actual positives, right? So true positive and false negatives are representing the actual positives. So now let's see the formula, that is true positive plus false negative in the denominator. Like out of these points, how many are correctly predicted? The correctly predicted points will be true positives. So basically these TP and TN, only these 2 points were correctly predicted points, right? So these only will be in the numerator according to these correctly predicted definition. Okay, and recall is also called as true positive rate. So this is some other name of recall. Here if you observe, like in the last video I have discussed, there is precision and there is recall, and I didn't discuss anything about F1 score. Now let's go through what F1 score is. Basically F1 score is a harmonic mean of both precision and recall. Okay, so how we can calculate harmonic mean between any two numbers? Like let's say A and B. So between this A and B, the harmonic mean will be 2 times A into B by A plus B. So similarly, calculating this F1 score with the help of this precision and recall, here our F1 score formula will be precision into recall by precision plus recall. So this will be my formula for R2 score. Okay, so like that we are getting this R2 score. So in some cases precision is more important, and in some other cases recall is more important. Okay, so whenever you feel that both are equally important or you're not sure which one is more important, in such case you can simply go for this particular F1 score. Okay, so that is about precision, recall, and F1 score, and you should get some doubt by this time. Okay, so check this video properly and comment down your doubt. Okay, so in the next video I'll be clarifying your doubt, and if you're not getting any doubt, then you haven't understood this concept properly. So please make sure you comment down your doubt in the comment section, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.